Now on this edition of Some Random Show, he's
Devin Gino.
Brendan Gino. And we're gonna
make fun of
High School
Musical
2 in one. So this is the first song we made up. It's fabulous.
You all stink.
No, it's really how. This is how it goes. It's horrible. That's the simple wish. Yeah, it's
You all
horrible. Yeah. In with the old and out with the new.
Yeah. And now we'll make fun of getting in the game. You gotta get your butt in the game.
You gotta get your butt in the game. Gotta get your butt in the game. What's this?
I'm Zac Efron.
And I'm Chad. I can't get a biscuit. And I'm Chad. Oh, I missed.
Screw you,
Gotta
Chad.
get my butt in the game.
Screw you, Chad.
Yeah, that's what happened.
Yeah.
And you messed with us. Yeah.
That's why you don't mess with Zac Efron and Chad.
Or Brendan and Devin Gano. We just destroy
Yeah.
you all.
See, you want to see us in a match?
Ah!
Well, you'll see that on next edition, number 4, with John Cena
That's your figure.
and Rey Mysterio, the
That's
real
your
person.
Oh.
Mr. Colors.
Never the millionaires, Bob.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So remember, I'm Brendan.
And I'm Devin.
And we're the Gano brothers. And this is Some
Random
Show. Now it's all over.